Future Elements Technology PT is an innovative GIS platform software and service provider headquartered in Singapore. Our original software, the 3D Real Scene Intelligent X-Series AI Operation and Maintenance Control System and the 3D Electronic Sand Table Visual Interactive Geographic Information System, utilizes 3D visualization technology to integrate geographic information and various data from urban buildings with computer-generated 3D virtual space models. This technology presents data locations, mines data potential, and displays statistical data indicators in a scene-based and intuitive manner. It quickly discovers and transmits information, helping users understand and visualize both the external and internal details of buildings. This enhances management efficiency, eliminates hidden dangers, reduces energy consumption, and improves operational levels, enabling users to thrive in a data-driven world. Intelligent Personnel Work Attribute and Location Management System. It can query the attributes, work schedule, and work location of staff in real time for the alarm information of related events in the park. It can automatically remind relevant personnel to go to the scene to handle the emergency and report it to the park center for filing and inquiry after the handling is completed. Intelligent Access Control Personnel Management System RFID, fingerprint recognition, face recognition, and other authentication methods are used to achieve refined management of personnel entering and leaving the building, and the entry and exit information is recorded for easy traceability. Intelligent Navigation and Access Control System. The system can provide indoor and outdoor intelligent navigation services and implement access control through face recognition or RFID technology to improve the safety and convenience of the building. AI video surveillance system deploy high-definition smart cameras combined with face recognition and behavior analysis technology to achieve 24-hour monitoring without blind spots, timely detection and warning of abnormal behavior, 24 hours online video monitoring, plus AI intelligent analysis. The first time an abnormality occurs, the alarm pops up on the monitoring screen, and it also has an integrated video surveillance system and intrusion detection system to monitor the safety of the park in real time, quickly respond to various emergencies, and ensure the safety of personnel and property. The AI camera system can identify and collect evidence for the following scenarios: property management, garbage overflow, objects thrown from high places, video evidence collection, on-the-job monitoring, equipment operation and maintenance, space safety, fire passage occupation, intrusion warning, electric vehicle entry warning, flame monitoring, personnel safety key areas, abnormal stays, crowds, dog leash, perimeter intrusion, prevention of regional intrusion. Equipped with AI video evidence collection function, AI security alarm events, and video linkage storage. Support personnel trajectory tracking, high altitude object throwing evidence, vehicle scratch evidence, and so on. Intelligent Parking System use license plate recognition, parking guidance, and other technologies to improve parking efficiency and reduce the time spent looking for parking spaces. Collect real-time statistics on in and out vehicles and visitors, as well as parking space occupancy, and conduct intelligent analysis of key indicators such as parking space turnover rate, parking flow, and parking duration, thereby notifying management and control personnel to control vehicle flow in different time periods. Equipment Operation and Maintenance Management System. Facility maintenance and fault warning, real-time monitoring and maintenance management of all facilities, predicting potential faults through data analysis, and performing repairs in advance to reduce downtime. Environmental monitoring and automatic adjustment. The system can automatically adjust the temperature, humidity, and air quality inside the building, according to preset parameters to ensure the comfort and health of the environment. Intelligent Lighting System for intelligent environmental control automatically adjusts lighting brightness according to indoor light intensity and personnel activities. Supports remote control, time switching, energy saving and emission reduction. Energy Management System. Energy consumption monitoring and analysis. Install smart electricity meters, water meters, and other metering equipment to collect energy consumption data in real time. Identify energy consumption anomalies through big data analysis. make energy-saving suggestions, and achieve energy-saving goals. Data integration and visualization unified data platform establish a building big data center, integrate the data of each subsystem, and realize unified data storage, processing, and analysis. Have a work order maintenance dispatch station, closed-loop monitoring of the entire process, from dispatching to canceling, centralized management of the work order dispatch station, unified repair service registration management function, support automatic and manual entry of work orders, customizable conditions for queuing and counting work order records and generating reports. The Smart X series, Big Data, Visualization Digital Twin System, a future element technology, can also be applied to smart campuses, smart cultural tourism scenic spots, smart communities, smart factories, smart construction sites, smart hotels, smart highways, smart technology parks, smart water conservancy, smart transportation, smart chemical parks, smart energy shipping, and other related industries. We look forward to working with you. Thank you for watching.